Good afternoon, web shaving enthusiasts and newbies. Welcome back into the rabbit hole. On today's second episode of Is It Junk? Tales from the AliExpress checkout. This is what I ordered. For $3.24 USD, shipping of $3.13, and it took approximately 2 weeks to get from China to my P.O. box in Maine. Let's find out what they sent me. And this is what arrived. Instead of one stainless steel with a metal clip, we have two plastic with sleeve inserts. And it also came with a 10-pack of these A77 blades. I put a post on one of the Facebook groups recently about looking for ideas for different types of shavettes, and someone suggested I give these a try. So, yeah, this will be my first use with this. So, take this, and we'll get rid of this protective wrap. Oh, this is what you end up with. Take this sleeve that came with it, open it up, and we've got three little post thingies there, corresponding. It's kind of like a Dovo shavette in that way, so obviously I can't read that, so I don't know what the heck that says. It is double-sided. Actually just kind of snaps on those little tiny post things. Close that like that. And you can see how much blade exposure we have there. Yeah, this is what we end up with. Hey guys, finally got a brand new light fixture in here, so now it doesn't look all weird. So, as I like to do with these shaves, go with known quantities. Today, out of Cranbrook, BC, Canada, Highland Springs Soap Company, Havana Vieja. I love this stuff. Love the scent. I believe this must be my second tub of this. It is vegan based. Of course. Matching aftershave splash. And my lights are flickering. We're having a storm outside today. My Coyote Cuts 24mm synthetic tuxedo. And as always, Jared Francais out of Western Canada, our Thirsty Badger Lather Bowl. You can get them for lefties or righties. His wife makes them, and she actually tilts the handle. This one obviously goes either way, and even fits huge mitts like what I have. Got a beautiful lather made up. Now, Chris made this scent for his wife, Mary, who is of Cuban origin. So it's a celebration of her homeland. I've used a number of their products in a few videos, and they don't get nearly as much love as they deserve. I forgot to mention, AliExpress is kind of like Amazon. Say you got something from Amazon doesn't mean much, but to specify the particular vendor. So this razor came from a vendor named Knights of World. And I guess to be fair, had I read a couple of the other comments that were on the post, or on this particular item, I would have realized that this is what they send and not the stainless steel. Other people have been disappointed when this is what arrived in the mail. I have subsequently found a different vendor on AliExpress and ordered the stainless steel with the clip that I was expecting. So when that comes in, we'll be giving that a try. Let's do a comparison. Your standard shavette that takes your standard half DE type blade. And it is approximately 39 millimeters cutting surface versus this thing, which has approximately 61 millimeters cutting surface, give or take a bit. So you can see the difference here. So, first impressions. It's actually comfortable to hold. It's a little weird to get used to that large blade. It's been a long time since I've used a straight razor, but it's definitely comparable in edge to a straight razor. This particular blade is a lot tuggier than I like. I am normally medium aggressive blade, medium sharp. I like a Voskhod. Feather, you got feather at one extreme, you got Derby at the other end, Voskhod's in the middle, Balzanos, Strangelet from PAA. I'm a big fan of their blades. This is very tuggy. So it's not super, super comfortable. The actual hold of the blade itself isn't bad for what it is. I mean, I said two of these for $3 and change. Just cheap Chinese junk. By the way, guys, let me know what you think of this series. I'm not going to do exclusively AliExpress stuff, but I think it's just kind of fun to do just cheap stuff once in a while to find out if it's worth a few bucks. So let me know in the comments below if you think these are worth continuing to do, because I've got about 5 more planned. Let's talk about Highland Springs Soap Company for a second. Chris and Mary Troniak are the owners, and Mary is a qualified chemist who uses her experience and knowledge to create blends of healthy, handsome soap and skincare products. On their website, you'll find many bath and body care products, including hand and body creams, lip balms, and several different popular scents, replenishing face creams, face serums, bar soaps, as well as their popular shaving soaps, aftershaves, and balms in many popular scents. Today I'm using Havana Vieja, which is soft tobacco and vanilla. Two of my favorite scents are Forge and Mystic, which I've done in previous videos, which I'll link above. But you'll also find Barbershop as well as several other inspired scents that they carry. So, gonna take our Razor Rock alum to this. Almost no burn at all. Now we go with the Havana Vieja aftershave splash. Yeah, I'm going to put it in the beard too. The hell with it. Love the scent on that. So, what do I think? $3.24 USD plus $3.13 for shipping plus 2 weeks of my life waiting for it to arrive. And it's not the razor that I thought I was getting, although they did send 2 of these. Save your $6.50. Go buy a coffee. Save your money and buy something quality. It's disposable. You know, if you lose it, you don't give a damn. That particular blade, not a fan. I don't know what blade that is. The next one I got coming should have a different pack of blades with it, so we'll give those ones a try. But save your money. I do like the blade width, but that particular blade, definitely not a fan of. It feels cheap. This feels cheap. It feels more like a toy. So definitely not a fan. Anyway, wrap this up. At least this is awesome. Havana Vieja, Highland Springs Soap Company out of Cranbrook, British Columbia, Canada. Chris and Mary Troniak, check them out. Love it. They're matching aftershave. Oh, just an amazing scent, especially this time of year. Said it's cold, storming, shitty outside. Coyote cuts, 24mm synthetic, Thirsty Badger leather bowl, and junket. Anyway, guys, thanks for taking the time to watch. Hope I could show you something. Hopefully it'll make you laugh a little bit. So we'll see you next time. You guys take care. Bye-bye.